Okay. Hey guys, crap. Welcome. One second. Back to Borderlands. This is so stupid. Yeah. Just about to turn in this mission. Oh, did I set a timer for this episode? I did not. Give me a hot second.
Like off-worlder. How you liking
our planet anyways? There we go.
Thanks. Just some things that are too hard to do without the use of my
Oh shit. Okay. Yeah, welcome back to Borderlands. Am I not level 5 yet? Usually it has me do the whole... Oh, I'm not. Usually at this point I get my whatever it's called. My turret. I mean, I should be able to get it before the boss fight, but still I'm quite surprised. Let's see. Okay, oh, there's another one. Any more? Okay. Oh, there's one. There should be some more peeking out. Oh, I should have reloaded. Yeah. Anyway, as soon as I do that, I should level up to part 5. Sorry, I didn't really do much of an intro. I just said, welcome back to Borderlands, and then killed a few guys, but yeah. Let me just... That's good enough, right? I still haven't leveled up. What the hell? I don't think that gave me any XP.
I'm updating your ecosystem with his location. Come and see me once you put his bits to the grinder.
Okay, thank you. Okay, but yeah, welcome. This is part 2 or whatever. Oh, there's an ugly moth just sitting on... No, I'll just leave him there. I'll get rid of him later. I don't want to deal with that crap. Do I have a gun I wanted to sell? I do. And I can't use that yet. Here, what's this thing? Ooh. I'm not gonna buy it just because I don't have the... I'm like 6 actually. 6 levels below the required. So if there's a better one when I get to level 10, I'd rather that one. But let me just... You... Hold still. Oh, that didn't kill you. I'll just do that. Oh yeah, this isn't looking too good of a sniper at the moment. Oh, that didn't kill me. Yep, let's switch out guns. Use this, but I'll put this one as my main. Hopefully that works well. Oh my gosh. I suck. I suck. There we go. What a timing. I just need to hold the damn button. Let me go do this. Click on that. Now I have that. Yeah, LB. Just go ahead and oh, what'd that drop? Oh, I immediately... Oh, it's... That's useful. I'll probably end up using grenades during my, Oh, it already selected it. That's nice.
Equip that, and you'll find that your protein grenades are suddenly more powerful, and are now equipped with special abilities. Always be on the lookout for new and different grenade mods to supercharge your arsenal.
I am just sucking it up. This is a great gun. Okay. Should I? The reload's so slow as well. Let's try this. That looked like a faster reload. Okay. No, I can't even use that. No, it's on my monitor. Now I have to kill you. Sorry, bud. Ah, never mind. He flew away. I wounded him. Shit. This is such a bad time. I'm in the middle of something off. I didn't want to hurt you. I just wanted you to stay there. And then I was gonna let you outside once I was done. But you had to make things hard. Okay. I got guns. Okay, this one immediately looks better. I can't... Oh, I can't equip this one now. 2 versus 59. Fire rate's slower. That's just by looking at it. I don't want to deal with that. Can't use that. Let me compare this, I guess. This one also has a scope, which I liked about the first gun I had. Okay, yeah, I like it. Yeah, let's go ahead and, no, that, and put this there. I might stick with this, I don't know.
Critical hit.
I like them better when they charge up. Oh yeah, these things. Nice. That's good. That was real good.
You are about to face your first
Last
real
battle.
challenge. I hope you've toughened up enough.
Oh. This is not a long-range weapon. I'm just, yeah. Okay. There we go. For you.
Oh, you know that hurt.
You. What's this? 16, that's better than mine, but I don't want... This is the crazy part of the game, is it gives you so many guns and you always gotta have the best one, and it's so stressful. I love it. Kind of. It's something stressful but without any real consequences. That's the nice part. See, let's just 100% critical hit damage. I don't know, man. This has a better weapon zoom as well. Plus 13 magazine. You know, let's try it for this boss battle.
You woke the wrong dog. Ah, yeah.
He also has 3 balls. I like that part.
Squeeze you till you bleed blood.
There we go. Let's just get him out of the question real quick. Never mind. Let's throw a grenade. And then... Yeah, let's try something. Oh no, I'm gonna die. I'm so dead. I'm so dead.
Let me just get my hand.
Oh gosh, I'm so dead. This went bad. This went real bad. My guns are so garbage. Maybe, it was this. I should have switched it out. No, not you. I should have kept the ladyfinger. Let's immediately trash that. Can't use that yet. This thing, this'll... all the way to the top. Should I get more grenades? I'll be fine. He's full health again. If I had been using this gun, I could have totally killed him before his dogs came. But now I don't have a turret, and I only have one grenade.
It's time to paint this body with
Oh my gosh. These stupid dots immediately take out.
more meat for me. Another slave to feed me. I'm gonna rip your arm off and beat your baby with it. It's time for another pound of flesh. Get away!
Damn it. Fuck. Yeah, this is the annoying part. It can get me. Oh, cool. I'll go get those after this. I don't have enough to get all of them, but... oh yeah, right. Now I can use that. That's good. I hate this stupid fuck. If I could restart it from the beginning with this gun, I could kill him immediately before his dumb dogs come out. Wait, scream at me again.
Oh yeah, that was all me.
Here, where are you? Come here, dumbass. I'll get rid of this mother trucker. And then...
I'm gonna eat you when I'm done. Blood. 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 Ah. Oh God. Oh God.
Getting better all the time.
thank you. Also, fuck you. Sorry. Yeah, and then there's all this crap.
This'll help.
Gosh. See, so many more guns. But at least these will probably, maybe, be a lot more useful. Also, okay, I like these ones. I know that. There's one that increases my health. I thought it was supposed to be like these type of things. Oh, it was this thing. Right. Health yeah, I want this one first. So I might dump all my points at the beginning into regenerate health. Heals them. Yeah, I don't have any health. I mean teammates for this to use. So, and then okay. Well, first let's just compare these two. This one only helps with the Scorpio turn it out, and I have to be close to it. This one just useful overall. So I'll start with that. The next one, yeah, I'll use this one. Yeah, because this one doesn't help. I'll use this. And then... yeah, this one won't be useful, so I'll have to use this one. Just planning. Okay. Oh yeah, I also have... oh gosh. sorts. Okay, here we have rifles. This one, is it even a question? Accuracy's down by quite a bit. It's better than this one, so I'm not even gonna question it. I'm just gonna use it. I'll have to compare it against everything else. This one I'm guessing is immediately better though. I'm also gonna trash this one immediately. Let's take a look at these ones, but yeah, that's my first SMG. There we go with that. So, no, I didn't want to do that. I meant to do this. Check this shield out. Yep. Slow health regeneration. That one's nice. So trash that. I could have used that health also in the middle of the battle. But whatever. Okay. Oh, I'm full? Shit, let me... Yeah, I should have used this. Yeah, I'm full health, so... Let's just drop it. It's not that much money. Let's see, 46 versus I'd get 20 of that. Okay, since I've received so many guns, we'll just do a quick compare for all the stuff. 8 versus... What's my current one at? I'm at 13. This is 24. Fire rate slow. Well, let me... Okay, that is the gun I have out. Okay. Also, extra melee, but... might catch people on fire. Don't drop it, might lose a toe. So you could fire rate. It's nearly doubled fire rate, but compared to like this one, it's only a third. Well, oh yeah, this one's 3 times the fire rate than this one, but this one also does 3 times the damage. So I'll trash this one, then I'll compare these two. I'll immediately just save this SMG. Oh, I do have 2 SMGs. I just grabbed one, didn't I? This one's immediately better, so... Trash that. And sniper rifles, let's have a look. Slightly slower fire rate, but not slow enough. But magazine size. This also has a better zoom, which is kind of good. Same mag. I don't know, I guess I'll compare them. Well, I guess this one, it doesn't matter. As long as it does high damage. There's certain guns where that's all that matters, is the high damage. I should also save that and save that for now. Like, when it comes to shotguns, revolvers, and then the snipers, yeah, damage is what matters. As long as it can one-shot. Once it stops one-shotting, that's when I stop using it. The hard thing to compare, I mean, it's easy to compare guns that are the same type, but like comparing an SMG versus a revolver or anything else, that one's harder.
The vault is real. People will mislead you. They will try to use you, not be swayed in your purpose. The vault is here,
there we go.
and we will find it.
Oh, I should sell everything since I'm so close.
Steel yourself.
And I'm full.
I'll be watching.
And not useful enough. Let's see, any... Ooh. I'm not gonna get it. This at least the one I currently have gives me regeneration. Health regeneration, so... Whew. Let's see, do I want to go that way? Let's see, let's compare some stuff. First, let's look at this. This one should be nice. Oh, this one's immediately better. I love that. Okay. I saw everything else. Oh yeah, I wanted to compare this to the ladyfinger. Really fast fire rate's nice, actually. I wouldn't say it's better than my, and then some of them catching on fire. Yeah, but yeah, I wouldn't say it's better than my, this. So, let's check out the SMG. Oh, that's also amazing. In fact, I think, yeah, oh, that reload speed is so fucking fast. Anyway, I'm not even bother comparing it this since it's just so slow. These two are basically instant damage. And then, so is the sniper rifle, likely. So, I might as well just use these since they're faster, have high magazines. I don't have to wait like a few seconds in between each shot. If your friend is down, run over and heal them quickly. What's a friend? Never had one of those. Okay. Orange. There's also two types of orange. Three types, maybe even. White, green, blue, purple, orange. Darker orange, even darker orange. I'm not sure which one's better. But there's like orange. Then there's darker orange. And then there's really dark orange. I think the lighter ones might be better, but I don't know. Don't quote me on that. Yeah. Is there stuff around here? There's not. I know there is stuff that spawns.
No? Lucky you.
Later on.
Mostly anyways.
Turn to Z.
I hate to send you away. Great company and all, but
Nailed it.
One thing I know is useful is right now it says my mission is tough. I need to be level 7. So if I level up before I go turn that in, like I can turn it in easy, it does nothing, but if I try leveling up, it gives me such advantage later on in the game. I probably won't do it yet, but when I'm in a minute, it's gonna give me a level 10 thing, and it's also just gonna be easy. Where I just go and talk to
Target hit.
where are you? Oh, there's two of you. But yeah. So I might go turn that in now. And then in a hot minute I'll go ahead and I've actually noticed I've been slightly behind. Not a whole lot, but enough where it's noticeable. Where is the one I hear? Oh, there you go. Nope, that's the one that I was already shooting. Must have been over there. Can Can I one-shot these things? Nope. Oh, the reload speed on that is so freaking fast. Okay. I'll talk to Zed, and then I'm gonna go over there and just level up. Wait, can I? Nope. That was just you doing your little startup thing. I can't take missions from the bounty board yet. Oh, this is also level 7. Maybe I should level up to level 7.
Don't forget to check out Markets and Store.
Yeah, both of these are level 7. This is level 10. Do a level 7, because I know that one's actually
You the
kind
one
of hard.
killing all the crap when people ask? To catch a ride near Fyrestone is more busted than my mama's girdle parts. Real appreciate you taking a poke at that. The system, not my mom. Hot dog down the skag den, know what I'm saying?
Shouldn't take too much to level up to 7. I mean, enough where it's kind of annoying, but... That's super... I'll go do it. Whatever. I need to level up anyway. The reload speed. Oh my gosh, I'm in love.
I got one I've been saving for you.
Maybe I should pull out the sniper rifle. I wasn't really thinking about bandits and stuff, but as soon as like it takes multiple shots on bandits as well, and it probably will take multiple shots on bandits, but then I'll switch back to the machine gun. Is this the... No, I want the other one.
Critical bit.
And then... That was satisfying. Yeah, I know there was a bunch of, racks and stuff. Those ones will be annoying to get with a sniper rifle, actually. I might switch to the SMG. I really want ice cream. I want a milkshake. Oh, what's this? It's also level 7. So I'm not going to worry about it yet. Okay, they're going to be out there doing their own thing. Yep. That'll let this one. Instead, this one's panicking. Oh. Oh, here I see. There we go. Dang. Oh, here's a boy. And this one's down. And this one. Oh gosh. I only have 4 shots. Where's it 3?
Oh, you know that hurt.
I just critically punched him in the mouth. Yeah, it's 3. Do I have a +1 on it, though? I think I might. Oh, that's a lot of money, actually. Ooh, when did I get $5,000? I might go ahead and buy the upgrades. You know what, since I'm kind of surrounded by them, and not really far away, let's Ooh, what's that? Oh, I picked it up when I went to reload. Let's trash that. Trash that. Frankly, all I care about is pretty much capacity. And then grenade damage. These ones only really have grenade damage as their main thing, so whatever. Let's switch here, actually. Get that thing. Now I know I can also punch in that one. Oh, that was quick. Well, my timer went off. That first episode seemed like forever. But this one, did I really have that for 30 minutes? Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, I did have that for 30 minutes. That seemed so short compared to the last episode. But they should both be around 30 minutes. Like slightly longer maybe. But dang. Okay. I'll go ahead and sell some of my guns. What all do I have now? Okay. Don't need that. I think these are the ones from before. Yeah. Yeah, I'll just buy these upgrades. Oh, right.
Bigger and better.
Buying stuff apparently gives you an upgrade. Okay. I just barely had enough. Okay, now I'll go ahead and do those other missions. Go ahead, grab that. Okay, I have to actually go up here. Which is where I was gonna go anyway, but... There, let's switch. Okay, you. More stuff's gonna pop out. Okay, yeah, now you hear them. So I'm gonna switch to this. So that we can, like... Yeah, boy. I immediately meleeed after I ran out of ammo, and it still reloaded faster than I could hit the button. Let me get this one, and that one's gonna run straight towards me. Oh. Let me just get this one. There we go. I don't know if they dropped a whole lot. Nope. Okay, I'll go down here. I don't think they dropped anything either. And the racks are gonna jump on out. Let's see how the sniper goes for me. They should immediately start attacking. Oh, maybe I have to walk a little closer. But they should start attacking. There, now they're... Oh yeah, I'm switching the SMG. I think I missed one. Oh, two. There we go. That's some not ammo, but loot lost, but I might see it on the way back. I don't think they dropped a whole lot either. I don't see anything, so probably not. Oh, one of them even landed right here. Well, unless that was one of the ones from before. I need to learn just hold the button, but I want to preserve ammo. Okay. That was weird. Okay. Let's switch. Oh, I think he sensed me. Here, I'll Get a shot off, then switch. Some more, they're immediately on me. Oh, piss off. Here's this thing.
Always nice
Ooh,
to
plus
get
1,000. Yeah, I haven't used. See, that's my problem, man. Let's see. Let's just immediately compare. I don't know if 32 slower fire rate, burster accuracy, better magazine. This actually has over 100 per magazine. Slower reload. That's. I don't even have to try and test out. I don't want to test out either, because that's just time that I don't want to waste. Let's, nice. Okay. And then, yeah, there's only one way over there, because that's not opened yet. Kind of stupid, but leveling up early on can make a hell of a lot of difference. Like I remember when I did it, the first time I played, I would get like, you know, tough missions all the time, that kind of stuff. But literally, just leveling up 3 levels early on in the game. Literally, every single mission later on was either trivial, not trivial, was normal. And then if there were tough ones, I'd level up enough to turn those ones into normal. By the time I got to them, by just finishing other missions. Oh, you suck. Oh, you suck bad. The intense music started right as I finished killing everyone. I think that music is dependent on health. So I think because I dropped lower in health, that it did that rather than at how many enemies or whatever. Well, I didn't really drop in health, but like what's the word? Oh, screw you. These ones are slightly easier to kill. Oh my gosh. Because they open their mouth more. Piss off. Let's just... yeah, let them do their thing. Let's just sit and watch. Haha. Idiot, yeah. I mean, I'm not going to use that anytime soon, so might as well use it casually. That's something I need to remember, is to use grenades and to use them, oh my gosh, that's loud. Stop it with the music. Anyway, yeah, to use the grenades and to use the turret because, you know, I get the turret back every so often. I can't see shit. There's too much blood and guts everywhere. Okay, there's 3 left, and they're all... I didn't really get a lot of them. I think I should have killed that one first. I believe that one kind of explodes. Oh, did I still not kill it? It's 1 shot. Oh, maybe it doesn't. Okay, I was wrong. It doesn't explode. It just carries a lot of loot. Okay, now the music's died down. Okay, then there's this. Okay, I'm almost at level 8, so that's nice. I also have whatever his name's mission. Scooter, that's what it was. You know, let's just use this, because I'm not too enthusiastic to deal with a ranged asshole. The one thing I need to remember that I didn't do last time I tried playing this is before I finish my second playthrough, I need to do the DLC. Because otherwise, they start leveling up with you, rather than saying a specific a preset, whatever you'd call it. There we go. Anyway, they level up with you instead of saying a specific level once you beat the game for the second time. Anyway, yeah, let's go ahead and pick that. That's right, that's what I was saying before, is I need to use my grenade more because... Oh, it's a sticky one. I just earned them back enough, I guess you'd say.
You never have enough stuff.
I'm not supposed to get these guns till later, but might as well. See what I mean? I could have used 2 grenades there. I would have been fine. Also, I can't set this down yet. See, I can turn in that one mission. Oh, these things are back. And probably this thing might run around. We can do this to you. Oh, maybe not. And they're gonna come running around. Yep. Well, you are. Oh, dang. Die. Okay. I keep losing my train of thought because they keep attacking me mid-sentence. Shit, I did forget what I said. Insane. I remember talking about my last playthrough where the DLCs were harder because I hadn't finished the game. because I had finished the second playthrough already. So if I do those first, next play, then the DLC will be a lot easier. Because I think it sets them like one level above you, which isn't much, but compared to like what I'm getting now, I'm level 8, getting like level 3 and whatever. I think I actually haven't been paying attention to their levels. The, you know, lower level enemies. It's so much easier. I forgot to set a timer. Did I remember to do an outro? I don't think I did an outro. Oh shit. Well, this is my outro. Fuck. Okay, goodbye.